Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because my Huda Beauty mystery bag has arrived. So, I don't know if you guys will have seen, it was like all over Instagram and stuff that Huda was releasing these mystery bags, and I'd never heard about them before and I didn't really know what it was, but I looked online and she releases mystery bags like once a year. I think the last drop was May last year, and it has a load of full-size items in it, but it's obviously heavily discounted. The bag that I've got here is the large bag, and it said that you'd get 6 full-size items and the bag, and the cost was £78. For all the items separate and not part of the mystery bag, it said that it would cost over £200. So it was a 67% saving, which is like a huge saving. And getting 6 Huda products for £78 is really good value. I actually don't have anything from Huda, which is why I'm so excited. I don't really know why. It's crazy because I obviously see it everywhere, and I watch loads of YouTube like makeup videos, and everyone has a load of Huda Beauty stuff. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this. I can't believe how cheap this was, to say it's meant to be, you know, over £200 if you buy the product separately. I think as well, like with the mystery boxes, it only goes live for like 2 days. You can only purchase them for 2 days, so you have to get them really quick, and then it's sort of done for the next year, is what it seems like. But yeah, I am super excited, and I'm gonna have a look at what is in here. I'll just start off saying, actually, the bag is really nice. Like, I really love this for like a little, it's not actually little, for like a makeup bag. I think it's really nice. And it feels like good quality as well. Okay. Oh. So, the first thing I'm gonna pick out is this little sponge. So this says it's the Huda Beauty The Basic V Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. You can't go wrong with sponges, you know, so I don't mind that. I'll just get it out and see what this is like. Oh, this is nice. I like that it's black as well, because I normally just get the Real Technique sponge, or I've got the Morphe sponge in there, orange and pink, so I think this is nice. Okay, next I'm gonna get out this. So this is, ooh, this is the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. I've wanted to try Huda's skincare brand for the longest time, so I'm really excited about this. I wonder if you just wear this every day. Yeah, I use daily, morning and evening. I'm very excited about this. Let's get it out. Honestly, her skincare stuff just looks so good, and all the reviews on it are just amazing. So I'll let you know how this is. I really love the packaging for this as well, like the Wishful brand. And if you guys don't know, so Wishful is a brand that's started by Huda. It's her skincare brand. So it doesn't fall under the umbrella of Huda Beauty. That smells, it smells really nice. Ooh, it's actually like a balm, sort of. Like, if you hold that upside down, I was like scared then, is it gonna all fall out? It doesn't, yeah, it like doesn't move. It's really thick. But it feels really light. Oh my gosh, and it smells gorgeous, guys. This looks very exciting. I actually love skincare, and I will spend a lot on skincare, so yeah, if this is good, I will repurchase. Next we're gonna get this. Let's see. So Huda Beauty Life Liner Duo Eyeliner Pencil and Liquid. And this is in the shade Extreme Black. Oh! And I've probably broken it already. Right, it's okay. It's okay, guys. She's fine. I'm sorry. Okay, so pencil liner on this side. Ooh, that's really clever. So one side here is the pencil liner, which has a twizzle top. And then the other side that I can't get off. Oh, you have to twist it, guys. Twist the other side. This is a liquid liner with a little brush. I'll just do a little test. Ooh, that's really nice. That actually glides on so easily. And I like how thin the tip of this brush is. That's really good. I love that this is double-sided. I'll just do the pencil too. I like that the tip of that is really thin as well. So I'm actually really happy with that. Okay, so next up we have this Huda Beauty Diamond Lip Balm. And this is in the shade Negligee. I actually do need a new lip balm, so this has worked out very well. Ooh, I love the packaging of that as well. It's like holographic, kind of like the bag, which I think is really cool. And it's got like Huda Beauty embossed down the side, which is really nice. Wow, how cool is this? This is like a diamond covered lip balm. That's actually amazing. So I've just put that on there, but as you can see, it's like clear. I think when some of the glitter from around the side gets onto like the top, then it has like a hint of glitter, but it's actually clear. So I really, really, really like that. Next up, we have got, ooh, Huda Beauty Lip Strobe. And this is in the shade Ritzy. So I'm not a big fan of lip strobes, just because I do like a matte lip, and obviously a lip strobe is like the opposite of a matte lip. But I am willing to try, and a good thing you could actually do with this, or try with this, is put it on your eyelids and try and use it as like a eyeshadow. So I'm not disappointed that I've got this. Ooh, that is really nice. It's like a bronzy gold colour. That is really, really nice. I think I would definitely try that as like a wet eyeshadow look. I think that could be gorgeous. And to be fair, I would try it on my lips as well, because you never know with summer coming up. But yeah, this is gorgeous. This is a gorgeous shade, and I think, yeah, if you don't use sort of shimmery metallic stuff on your lips, definitely try and even use this as like a highlighter or an eyeshadow, because you can use stuff like this in so many ways. It doesn't have to just go on your lips. Next up, okay, Huda Emoji. I think this is an air freshener. It says Huda Emoji, download the free app now. And then it's just got this like cutout of Huda. It smells nice as well. Smells like, I don't know, but it smells nice. I don't know, kind of like a peppermint, but like peppermint, but also like a sherbet sweet. That's what it smells like, if you can imagine. Like do you know those candy necklaces? Did you ever have those when you were little? Kind of like that, but mixed in with a little bit of mint. It's what this smells like, but that's actually really nice. I'll hang it. I'll find somewhere to hang it. I do like that, and yeah, the smell is lovely. Okay. Ooh. Next up is this Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. Oh my gosh, the quality of this, guys, let me just tell you, it feels amazing. It's so heavy and it just feels such amazing quality. So this is what it looks like. She's even got highlight on if you move it. That's so cool. The small things, guys. It's the small things. Oh. And then here she is again. This looks gorgeous. This honestly looks gorgeous. Oh, so it's like a 4 steps. I've seen this actually before, and I've seen her demonstrate it, and it looked amazing. So step 1 is prep, which is this one, the shade Barbados. Step 2 is Maldives. And then step 3 is sculpt. So sculpt, not sculpt. Put that one like as a contour highlight, which I think is a really cool idea. And then step 4 is like a blush. It's called Bora Bora, and then this one's called Aruba, sorry. But I think that's really nice. Maybe I'll do a video trying these out. I know they're not new, but obviously I've never tried them before, so I think that's really exciting. So I'm actually down to the last thing in the box now, and I got the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette remastered, and I am so excited about this. Honestly, I've actually been looking at this palette online for a while, and it looks so nice. And like I said earlier, I don't own anything from Huda Beauty, so I wasn't really going to be disappointed with anything because I don't have any of it. This really is stunning. Like, look at that packaging. Like, that is just gorgeous. I think that's something I've really noticed with all these products and looking at all these products is that the packaging is honestly like 10 out of 10. Some of the best packaging that I've ever seen on makeup. I love these little inserts that seem to be in all her palettes. I think it's a really nice touch. Because you know how brands normally have like the clear see-through piece of plastic to protect their powders. I think having like actual branded pieces of plastic that are, you know, special to the product just shows a bit more, I don't know, like effort has gone into creating this and creating this packaging. So I think that's really nice. These shades honestly are unreal. I am so happy with this. I'm really excited to try this. I actually cannot wait. The colours are stunning, and these shimmery shades at the top, like I don't really have any of these shades, so yeah, I'm really excited. And I love that there's a black in here as well. I think some palettes that don't have a black or a really deep brown, it can make it a bit difficult because I find that if you're taking the palette somewhere, you need those shades, so you need to take an extra palette or some extra eyeshadow. So I love that it's got the black and, you know, the transition shades and the shimmers. It just looks amazing. I'm so excited, and I'll probably be doing a makeup look using this. So yeah, that is everything that was in my first ever Huda Beauty mystery box. I am super happy with everything that I got. I think it's all amazing. I'm gonna use it all, and yeah, for the price, I would definitely recommend. I absolutely love everything. The palettes, I cannot wait to try the Strobe palette and the Rose Gold palette. I think they both look incredible. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.